My name is Juan Sebastian Garcia, and we are in the Windows 11 class. On this episode, we're going to look at the Windows 11 features for updates, upgrades, and how to manage within your Windows 11 system those settings for updates. Alright, so we already dig down into other settings. Let's look at the privacy settings, update settings. Here you go. Let's click on update and security. So updates and security, typically in Windows, they need to be activated. Now when you click on Windows Update, you're going to have this option of navigating through the Windows Update menu to simply check updates. So if you click on download, it's going to download the latest version or patch that Windows needs. Now it'll tell you if it's pending download. Now the update history, if you click on it, is going to show you the history of the downloads you did. You could pause the updates and so on. Now if you click on OS build info, that's where it'll give you the details of the Windows machine. So it'll say Windows Home Edition, developer option. This is OS build 299961. It's very handy just to check the version of Windows, and you can always update the Windows from there. Now, delivery optimization, just click on it. Now, you could always download the updates. I'm not going to do that right now, but if you click on delivery optimization, it'll download Windows, the Microsoft Store, and products very quick and easy. So it allows you to download from other machines to this local PC. In other words, they could download upgrades from different machines, like a centralized location, then pull it to another machine. The Windows security is the basic amazing feature that Windows enhanced, so the hardware is protected. If you open the Windows security tab, of course right now I have virus and malware enabled, but the Windows security tab, it'll pop up new options for configuration of Windows. Now on the backup settings, you could back up on a OneDrive. You could look for older backups. You could always add a drive for a backup as well. We're not going to do a backup right now, but this is how we navigate through the menu of backup options. Now if you click on troubleshoot, we have options to look at Windows 11 issues and problems that we could resolve. So you could always configure to ask me later or to run it automatically if something's wrong with the operating system or some hardware. Ask me for troubleshoots. Alright. Now if you click on recovery, you could always reset the machine, restart, but you could also do a recovery process from Windows. Typically, if you already did a backup, you want to do recovery, you could recovery from that backup. Now the activation, this is not activated. I don't have a key yet, but this is just the navigation menu where I could check the activation of the license. Once I get the product, I could just change the product key, put it in, and good to go. Now, this Windows Home version has a look and feel pretty much like a Mac user interface, but the security and other features were added and they're pretty cool. Now find my device. This is how you track your device if you want to track the location of your device. Right now it's turned on. I could always turn it off if you may for privacy settings. Now when you turn it on, it's going to put a location on the device and keep track of the location of this device. Now for developers, you have developer mode. You could always install the developer option, the discovery option. Now the file explorer, you could apply settings like friendly file explorers and so on. So that's just for developers, by the way, which developers could create applications for Windows 11 and PowerShell. Alright, so thank you and see you on the next episode.